I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, 2 ways to look at this. First of all, if we have a look at the context, we're basically saying that we want to show people that we are different because of the hairstyle that we choose. But the language pattern is give the what that we are different. So which one of these answers collocates with give to mean the same as show? Of course the answer is D, to give the impression that. For question number 2, once again, this is a vocabulary question, but the context is important here. What we're basically saying is that we want people to think that we are fashionable. That is our desire, it is our aim, it's our ambition. So we need to choose a piece of vocabulary which completes the expression in the something that, and to communicate this idea of our aim or our goal. And if we bear that in mind, we quickly find out that there's only one possible answer, and that is B, hope. In the hope that something will happen. For question number 3, once again, it's another vocabulary question which is based on context. And that context being that the effect of the parents being shocked is something that we wanted and that we knew that would happen. In other words, it's something that we expect, which is why the answer in this case is B, wanted and expected to shock their parents, and not any of the other answers. For question number 4, the context here is basically that you want to have a sign that you are following a particular ideal, in this case a commitment to an alternative lifestyle. So we need to choose a piece of vocabulary which means the same as giving someone a sign that you think or behave or act in a certain way. If we have a look at the language pattern, it says middle-class hippies let their hair grow long to what their commitment? What word means the same as giving you a sign and collocating with commitment? If we have a look at the answers, there's only one possible answer, and that is D. You show your commitment to something. For question number 5, let's step away from context and vocabulary and, for question number 5, let's step away from context and concentrate on language patterns, in particular the key word, the key preposition, to, which is after the gap. Only one of the answers collocates with to, and that answer is claimed. Claimed to represent the working class. You cannot allowed to, admitted to, said to. You can say admitted to doing something, that's fine, but then you would need the gerund form. So the only answer that fits this particular language pattern is C, and that's claimed. For question number 6, vocabulary question. Something can be out of fashion and something can be in fashion, and that's exactly what we need here. We need the answer to be which is A, in. For question number 7, we have to choose the correct past participle to complete the perfect form, but we have to choose the correct past participle bearing in mind the word influence, because the verb form that we choose has got to collocate with influence. So which one of these 4 answers collocates with influence? The answer is B, had. Question number 8, easy vocabulary question. What's the correct preposition that we need? Well, you spend time on something and you spend money on something, which is why the answer is C, on.